The 21st century has been called the age of information, or the era of big data. To organize and present all their data, professionals ranging everywhere from scientists, business executives, and economists frequently use visual charts or graphs. Visual charts and graphs are often much better than listing out all the values of data because they allow you to easily see patterns and interpret trends in what you found. For instance, let's imagine that we're climatologists interested in tracking the monthly rainfall in a particular area over the course of a year. We could list out each month's value in a sequential list like this. However, as you can tell, this is not the best way to visualize our data because we can't really easily see trends or patterns. A much better alternative is to use a pie chart, such as the one right here. Each slice of the pie corresponds to a single month out of the year. For instance, we can easily see that the slice of January had 4.9 inches of rainfall. We can also see general patterns and trends very easily. For instance, we can tell that the vast majority of rain fell from the months of November to February, while very little rain fell from the months of July to September. Now, imagine we want to find the total rainfall that occurred throughout the entire year. We could get our calculators out and add up each exact value. However, this would take a relatively long amount of time, and on the ACT, time is of the essence. So we need to find shortcuts and strategies to minimize the amount of time that we take. So, a good first step when approaching any ACT problem is to look at the options presented as answers. We see that option A is 21.8, option B is 35.8, C is 49.4, and D is 15.7. Now, all of these numbers are relatively different from each other. So, a good strategy to shortcut would be to estimate the value of rainfall each year. To do this, we could round up to even numbers each month's value. For example, January's value of 4.9 would become an even 5. Doing this for each month and then quickly adding up those values in our heads gets us to 36 total inches, which is very close to option B, 35.8, which is the correct answer. Now that we've determined the total amount of rainfall throughout the entire year, imagine we want to determine what percentage of rain fell during November. To calculate a percentage, we divide the part that we are interested in by the total that we have. The part in this case is the month of November, which is 5.8. And the total, as we just figured out, is 35.8. Now, you may just want to pop this into your calculator, as it's a relatively easy calculation. However, we could also round, and this may be an even faster solution. So, rounding November's total of 5.8 to 6, and our yearly total of 35.8 to 36 gives us 6, the part we're interested in, over the total of 36. 6 over 36 can be simplified to 1 over 6. And 1 over 6 is just about 15%, which is very close to the correct answer of 16.2%. Utilizing simple strategies and heuristics like this will allow you to cut down on your time and finish the ACT in a prompt manner.